Direct Aid Society is continuing its quest to broaden its horizon by supporting needy families, especially in the holy month of Ramadan. Over 6,000 families were fed in this month of Ramadan. The beneficiary families received 25 kg of rice, sugar, tin tomatoes, 2 gallons of oil, among other things. The donation is to aid individuals and families HAFIZ in the month of Ramadan. The donation that took place at Mercy Social Center, a subsidiary of Direct Aid Ghana, saw the attendance of opinion leaders and assembly members, while at the same time, donation was concurrently taking place at various centers across Ghana. Mr. Ali Abdusalam Ali is the director at the Mercy Social Center. He underscores the importance of this annual gesture, and this is what he has to say.
Today we are here in Mercy Social Center for Ramadan distribution. The Muslims, all Muslims in the world, were fasting the Ramadan. And Ramadan is the month of fasting and making sadaqah. So our donors, which based in Kuwait and some other Middle East countries, are donating us this Ramadan distribution for our community around Adenta and Medina. Today we have targeted 600 family members. In total, Direct Aid have targeted this year in Ghana to 6,000 family members, and which cost us almost 3 million Ghana cedi in Kumasi, Tamale, Cape Coast, Accra, Kofridwa, and so on and around. The selection is that through the imams in the masjid and the chiefs and some of our community members and Direct Aid teams. And the most and the only criteria is the needy person, like someone who needs to break his fast. And there are some people, they don't have anything to break the fast with. So they are our criteria.
Representing the new Adenton electoral area is the assembly member, Muhammad Nuruddin.
Okay, actually, Direct Aid, this is a ceremonial or let's say occasional program that they have been doing day in, day out to support the needy, the widows, the orphans, and then the vulnerables. They mostly do it in the festive season, like Eid al-Adha and Eid al-Fitr. And then during Ramadan. So as you can see now, we are in Ramadan season. That is why this package is being given to a numerous number of people. I'm more happier than them because it is being done in my electoral area. Day in, day out, whenever they want to have such a program, they invite me, then we judge and see how best we can be able to assist and then see how things will go on smoothly. A very big thanks to Direct Aid for that massive support that they have been doing, even across, not by my head alone, across the regions.
Beneficiaries are filled with joy as they express their happiness anytime Direct Aid comes to their aid.
I'm very happy. We thank Allah for the support given by Direct Aid. And we continue to thank the donors. May Allah provide for them so that each time, when there's a need, they continue to aid us in the same manner. Okay, in fact, this is the first time. I have never been here. It's my wife, they gave the coupon, and because of children and house chores, she hasn't been able to come around. So I've come on her steed to take the food. It will help the family a lot, yes, financially and then socially. When the children see it, they'll be very happy, and they thank Allah for what has happened.
A whole lot. I mean, it will keep our bellies warm throughout Ramadan. And I really want to say thank you to the facilitators of this program and everybody involved. May Allah answer all their halal prayers and give them the strength to do more. Actually, this is my second time of receiving this. In fact, I'm short of words. I just want to tell them thank you for everything they have been doing for us, and may Allah reward them. They have really been doing a great job, and I appreciate. We all appreciate. Thank you.
Okay, we shall use this one during the month of Ramadan. I think it will help the family and then those around us. Okay, this is about 5 times. 5 times, yes. Okay, we check thanks, Direct Aid. Okay, we are sending our thanks to them so that Allah will help them so that they will continue doing this for the long years to come. And then to help every Muslims around the world. And then the people in our Zongo community, and then maybe the needy people, and then the other people.
We want to say thank you to the gift they give to us every Ramadan. It helps us a lot. We thank them. And from Direct Aid, we want to say Alhamdulillah to them. It's good. They should keep it up. And may Allah bless them and reward them. Thank you very much. It will help me a lot because I don't have any in the house. And they've given me sadaqah to go and do the fasting with it. So I thank them a lot. It will help me and my children in the house and my husband too because we don't have it. This is my second time of receiving it. Thank you very much. And may Allah reward them.
Yeah, it's going to help me because in Ramadan like this, we are using mostly, we need the food so that we support our Ramadan and all of that. We have to feed the family as we can. We are praying Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. There's nobody who will do something for them. It's only Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. And they are doing it is because of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. And we are praying Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala to help them and to support them. Allahumma taqabbal minna wa tub alayna innaka antal ghafurur rahim. Allahumma taqabbal du'aana. اللهم تقبل صدقاتنا اللهم تقبل صدقاتنا اللهم أنت الحق ووعدك الحق وقولك حق والنارك حق وجنتك حق برحمتك يا أرحم الراحمين اللهم إنا نسألك علما نافعا ورزقا طيبا وعملا صالحا وعملا متكبلا ولسانا ذاكرا شاكرا وجسدا على البلاء صابرا اللهم صل على محمد وعلى آل محمد.
Direct Aid Society is amongst the few NGOs whose impact affect both Muslims and non-Muslims, and in all occasions, Direct Aid comes in very handy to support needy families and individuals.
HAFIZ TV, unique every day.